Hello students, today I am going to talk about some general topics regarding you all only. Okay, so everywhere you are said that you are wrong, isn't it? Wherever you go, for something or the other, not for all the things. Number of times you are appreciated also, but many a times you are said also that you are wrong. You like it when you hear this? I don't think so, isn't it? So here we will be discussing some 4 points by which only 4 points, there are can be others also, but here I am discussing only 4 points, okay, for which you can be said wrong wherever you go. Okay, so here the 4 points which I am going to discuss today is watching TV and movies, chatting with your friends online, being on social media, and having a different point of view. I think so many of you will try to connect with any of the points over here, and yes, I am not saying that all the students have this habit. There are many which doesn't have any one of them, but yes, if you have, then please listen to it carefully and nicely. Okay, some first point which I will be discussing with you all is watching television and movies. So watching television, is it bad? If it is bad, then why the parents and teachers and all the elders are watching TVs and movies? Okay, why they are watching the television and movies? I don't think so. It means it is such a bad thing or such a thing that yes, we should not watch it, isn't it? It is not appropriate to say that yes, watching television and movies is not a good habit. But yes, it should be to a certain extent. Too much of watching TVs and movies, what will happen? It's just sheer waste of time first. Second, not good for your eyes. Third, affects your brain also. Okay, so long hours, I'll say, not watching television and movies, we can say long hours of watching. But when I'm saying long hours, with this I'll add one more thing. What are the things you are watching in the television and the movies? Are those things which you are watching are good for you, or are they giving you negative impact? You should think also while watching. You should be selective while watching TVs and movies, because if you are not selective in nature, you can see anything, and there are many programs, many movies which can give a negative impact also. So if I am saying about the movies and television movies, there are number of movies which are of good genres like Super 30, Three Idiots, Gravity, and a number are there. No need to count it. You also know it better, which you should watch. Okay, television also have got different educative channels, recreation channels, the recreating programs which can recreate, which can be of recreation of you all, can also be watched. But yes, select and watch the TV programs also, because what will happen if you are watching everything which has got a positive impact on you, it will try to be helpful in your life, and it will make you more strong. Okay, now going to the second point, chatting with your friends online. I don't understand, students, why you all chat with your friends when you are meeting them regularly. Okay, if you are meeting them regularly, isn't that time enough for you to talk? Okay, then you are coming home, and the time which you should be used for the useful work, you are going on chatting with your friends. This is not right. Okay, but yes, I can understand your peer pressure, because you are in habit of this, okay, with your friends. So how can you remove this habit? One thing I can say, removing is not so easy. So if you are in a habit of chatting with your friends online for hours, decrease that time period. Okay, make it to 10 to 20 minutes, and then go on decreasing the time. Okay, if you have strong determination in your brain, okay, you will be able to do it, and slowly you will be able to remove this habit from yourself. Okay, so now we are moving on to the next topic, having a next topic, that is being on social media. Okay, I've seen that this generation have keen interest in being on social media because they want to know the world and they want to compete with the world, isn't it? You want to know everything because you should know. It is also must. If you are not knowing how the world is going on, then you will be left behind. But being on social media in all the time is right. Surrounded by the social media every time, is it right? This I am asking. Okay, I don't think so. Being all the time surrounded by social media is very fruitful for you, isn't it? But yes, I can understand your keen pressure. Okay, here, what happens when you are surrounded by this social media? Okay, then what happens? Slowly and slowly, you create a virtual world around you, and what happens? You start acting in that. But here, this virtual world gives a negative impact on you, and it disconnects you from the real world, which is not right. Because if you are disconnected from the real world, virtual world will not be fruitful for you all. So that is the sign where you have to understand if the negative world is just influencing you totally. That is the sign that you have to be now apart from social media, or you have to give less importance to the social media and come to your real world and face it, because this real world is going to give you your future life. And I hope so. This is not so difficult. If you are thinking, if you have got the signal in your brain that yes, now you are surrounded with the virtual world and your real world is missing, that is the sign you have to stop and move further with the real world. Now coming to the next point, having a different point of view or being a rebel. Many a times at home you have conflict with your parents. What your parents are saying and your view is entirely different. I'm not saying that you are wrong, because this is the time you have started thinking. You have started seeing everything, hearing everything, and making out your own point of view for that thing. I'm not saying you're wrong. But yes, if you are right, at least everyone should listen to you. Isn't it? Everyone, if you are explaining anything, they should listen. They should not say that you are wrong. So for that, for listening, you should explain them your point of view. Isn't it? And if they are understanding your point of view, it means you are right. But if they are not understanding, it means what? There is a signal that yes, either you are not able to explain them properly, or there is a communication gap. This is when you are right. But yes, many a times you are wrong also. But yes, this is the most dangerous condition for you all, because at this position you are wrong, but you think that yes, what I am saying is right, and you don't listen to your parents, neither your teachers. Okay, and this condition I am saying you is the most dangerous condition, because it will lead to you to a negative impact on you. So whenever your parents and all are making you understand, try to listen to them also, because they are thinking of you, and if they are thinking of you, they will never think bad of you. So give some time to them also, and try to think of their words also, whether it is right or wrong. And yes, I can't stop anyone that yes, you should do this only or you should not do that. But yes, you should think on that and think that yes, whether you are right or not. And if you are wrong, your consciousness will say to you that yes, I am wrong. And make up your brain that yes, if I am wrong, I can be right by listening. if you make your brain to listen also, then you will be able to move further in future with a better perspective. So I concluded by saying that here maybe the students may not be having any one of these habits in them. Okay, some may be having one of them. Okay, some may be having all. Wherever you connect yourself, try to think of it and try to go on in the positive manner, move forward in your life with positive manner rather than in a negative form, and try to reboot your life by just making it or bringing it on the track. I hope so, students. By these, I might have at least done bit of you in changing your thinking manner. Okay, and if I have done it, think of it. Okay, good day, take care.